Hi everyone. I just wanted to come on today and share with you some really sad news. One of my fur babies, Ziva, passed away. She crossed the Rainbow Bridge December 27th last year. And it's kind of been hard. But I wanted to come on today to show how I am kind of coping or sharing how I am coping. One of my friends had posted on her Instagram a little quote that she found, mend a broken heart with art, and that really resonated with me. Today is March 1st, so I have been crafting here and there, but I just wanted to, since I did start YouTube 7 years ago, and Ziva and Nala, my fur babies, were my first video. So I did want to come on today to just kind of share with you a little life update and let you know that I'm doing well overall. My husband's doing well overall. And my other fur baby, Nala, is doing well. We kind of have a little general melancholy because it's not the same without her. And we miss her. But I wanted just to share, just in case others out there are also having a tough time. This is just one way of healing a broken heart with art. Kind of finding small moments of joy during the day. Taking time to do what you love. Crafting. Spending time with friends that are also like-minded. This is a little tag flip kit that was created by Susie George or Susie West. I'll link her information in the description box below, but I had purchased this kit last year and I finished it, and I had it hanging in my craft room, and I really want to honor Ziva's memory. We have a lot more happy memories than sad memories. And so I wanted to kind of share with you a couple of pictures that I started putting onto this tag flip. And so let me just kind of take it off the ring so I can share it a little bit better. I was undecided whether I should share it, you know, just this detail of my life, but I thought it was something that I needed to do to help my heart heal. And, you know, my philosophy is sharing is caring. So maybe if this helps somebody else that's going through some tough times, maybe it may inspire others to kind of dig deep to find ways to better cope through their grief or through their loss. So this is the what I decided to use as my first page, Hello Sunshine. I know this is a Doodlebug, but I'll probably insert the name of the Doodlebug line in here. But Ziva, my little princess, she loved going to the park. So every weekend we would go to the park, and we really enjoyed it. So I just typed up a little blurb. I used my little I forget what it's called. I think it's a little, I forget if it's an Instax. My stepdaughter had given to me for the holidays. But I saved a couple of favorite pictures so that I can print them and continue to cherish her memories. So this is a little, the first tag. This is the second tag. I don't have anything in here yet, but I will add a little something. Susie George's kits are really cute. She designs them, and some of them are interactive like this. There's a little gnome that she cut out, and I just paper pieced it. This is the back. This one is another little tag. And this is our little, we did a lot of road trips in 2019 before the pandemic. And we did go to Mammoth in August for my birthday month. And I'm very grateful that we were able to enjoy a lot of our fun times together, doing activities that we all enjoyed together. And this was a little Crystal Lake trail in the background. So that is the third tag, and that's what the back looks like. This is another one. My husband and I had been blessed to go to Israel. So this is just one of our pictures and one of our memories. And that was in 2022. We were able to go to Israel, and so that is just a blessing that we were able to do that. And then on the back here, this is Walker's Canyon, another road trip that we had gone on, where the poppy fields were in full bloom. And so these were just some sweet memories. And this is another little pop-up, and we were having little Snapchat shenanigans. She's always photo ready. My little munchkin, I called her. So that's another little tag. On the back I'll add another photo. And then here's another little tag with a little gnomies. So cute. And with a little multicolored gingham bows on the back. So hopefully this just kind of this video share, you know, the reason why I did want to share was just because my little Ziva was a big part of my life, and we will miss her, but we have a lot of happy memories that I will most likely be printing a lot of pictures out, and this year I'll dedicate a lot of my time to creating little tag flips or mini albums. I purchased a couple of things during my shop therapy the past 2 months, and I bought a mini cinch and a couple of scrap diva dies to add her pictures to. So again, thank you all for joining me and just spending a little time with me. So in the next couple of videos, I'll probably share some hauls and some goodies that I did receive from my sweet crafty friends when we did meet up in December and recently in February. So hope all is well, and sending you all love and light.